Hello everyone. So I'm going to jump in here real quick. This is a very quick video. So this is where I'm at right now. I should have turned the video on when I started working on this. So what I'm going to do is I am going to jump in, but I'm going to do a little tutorial. I guess it's not a tutorial. It's going to be like a craft with me as I work with this kit, because I'm having requests to not only see the kit, but a flip through and all of that. So I was just like, okay, I'm just going to show you guys me creating. Now I'm going to do a few journals with this, but I also wanted to, I want to play with file folders. And so this is what I've got so far. And I have quite a few other ideas. I've got my file folders already going, trying to figure out how I want to set things up. But this is going to be, I'm going to call it a loaded envelope booklet, because you guys know I did the envelope booklet a couple of years ago, I think. And so I just like playing with that, and I went back to that and I thought about that idea. So anyway, this is in the shape of a booklet. I mean, an envelope, of course. And then I've got a little bit of spine here, and I'm just playing with that. But this is what I've got so far. And I'm going to flip through the pages really quick so you guys can see how this kit, how beautiful the kit is. And how everything works together so well. So this is just where I'm at right now. And I was researching because I'm still working on envelopes, and I want to do some little labels for this kit. I do like adding that. I like how those look when we're creating our journals. So I was looking up the definition of vintage. This kit actually should have been termed antique, antique fashion, because vintage fashion apparently has to be at least 20 years ago, but within the last 100 years. And so this style of fashion is older than that, so it would actually be antique fashion. But yeah, so enough of that little dribble. And that's that. I do, like I said, I am working on some envelopes. I do have these, and some of you guys are asking for the larger plain envelopes. I am also working on that, and I'm trying to put everything off in just one huge kit and charge one price. I do have a little small sale going on. I new, to the kids, but I do have some of that stuff going on sale. But that's not what this video is really about. It is actually to talk about this as a giveaway. It was supposed to go to Sharon, but as I stated in my last video, she didn't claim it, and so it was up for those who were paying attention. And so this is what this is. There were actually 9 entries, which I love, absolutely love. 9 is a perfect number. And so I've got random generator here, and I'm going to change the number. Hold on, let's see. Change the number, as we can see, so everybody will know that it's fair. The maximum number is 9. The minimum number is 1. I'm going to generate it. The number is 3. And 3 is also another perfect number, you guys. Seek But You Can't Hide was the third. You guys can go back and look at the comments. She was, I guess it's a she, could be a he. They were the third person to make a comment with the hidden word. So congratulations. I would love to know your name. I love that Seek But You Can't Hide. I love that. So anyway, thank you all for watching. I will see you soon in the next video. You guys have a wonderful evening, a wonderful night, or a wonderful day, wherever you are.